Hello guys, so right now we're gonna discuss a topic about the assignment operators. So what is the meaning and the functionality of assignment operators? Well, it is the assigning of the value in a variable. That you are trying to assign the value towards a variable. And we have used the symbol equal in our code, if you could remember in our previous tutorials, and that is an example of assignment operator. And there are many more types of assignment operators, and we will gonna use them in this tutorial so that we could be able to familiarize each of these operators. So let's now create an example for this. So right now we have created the whole important syntax in order to run our code. So we're just gonna create an integer value here, and let's put a as equal to 2, and then it's gonna create a letter b which has no value. So here I would like to ask for a trivia, if who could answer this, if it who could get the answer for this. If you have any idea, or you have research already, so what do you think would be the answer for if we were gonna ask for an output of the percent a, this one, and then so right now I will ask you what will gonna be the answer for this when we'll try to run the b variable. So let's see if what will happen. So let's run this one, and then as you can see in here, the value of a is equal to 2, and then b is equal to this one. So why does it so? Why it has this kind of value where we have not put a value inside of this letter, inside of this variable? Well, the answer for that is to be able to save our variable in our storage area. The compiler must put a value inside of that, otherwise this variable b will not be inside our storage area, which is in our random access memory. So the compiler will gonna have a randomized number to store that, or to value, or to store that value inside of this, so that it could be able to store in our storage area, which is in the random access memory. So the random access memory will gonna store a randomized value for letter b. So that's why it goes like that. And then so right now we're gonna, instead of putting a randomized value inside of that variable, we're gonna let that a is equal to b, and after that we're gonna use the first example of assignment operator, which is b is equal to plus is equal to a. And let's see if what will happen. Let's try to delete that one. I know, maybe you need it. And let's make this as a comment, and then we're gonna copy this one and put here. Sorry guys. And this one too. Gonna copy that, put it here. So right now we're gonna print the output of B in here, and we all know that B is equal to A already, so the B becomes 2. It has a variable of 2 rather than this one. And then after assigning that operator, we have also created a new assignment operator, which is the plus is equal to A. So what does this do? Well, it acts as it lets the letter A become double when putting it in the variable B. So that means to say that you are just like the assignment operator has this functionality, which is B is equal to A plus A. So that's how it works. Okay, so that you do not get confused, let's create like that. So that is the equation of this assignment operator. So the long lengthening equation for this is this one, so that you might be it might be clear to you to know what's the functionality of that. So now let's try to save it and run. And it says here there's an error, so let's check. It says here B. Oh, sorry guys, I haven't put semicolon there. So okay, and as you can see in here, the B was this one at first, the original value, and then we have used the assignment operator, which is we created that B equals A, and then we printed it, and then it becomes 2 already, and then we let the B plus is equal to A. So the A value is adding the B plus is equal to A. So that is how it works. I'm sorry, it's like that, B plus is equal to A. So what about this example that B is equal to minus is equal to A? B minus is equal to A. What would you think the answer for this? So the answer for this is we're just subtracting 4 minus 2. So let's try to run this one, and then let's see. So here, as you can see in here, that it becomes 2 again. So let's try to create this B is equal to 4. So let's see if what will happen, so we could be able to know clearly what is the real functionality of each of this. So as I have said earlier, that it's B minus A. If it's like this, it's just a shortened equation for this one. So let's run this one, and as you can see in here, the variable B is this one being randomized, and then we replace it with B is equal to 4, and then when we use B plus A, so B plus is equal to A, we are just doing this one, and then that's why it has an output of 6, because we created this 4 plus 2, which is the B is has a value of 4 and A is equal to 2, so it becomes 4. And then after that, we created also a b minus equal to a. So b minus equal to a, then the answer for that is, our equation for that is b is equal to b minus a, which is, we have created a new variable, a new value inside the variable b, which is 6. So the b becomes 6 already, and then b minus a is equal to 4. So that's why we have an answer for that. So, and also there is also multiplication operator for this assignment, which is like this. Just gonna multiply that, and then it becomes multiplication, and then strand. So as you can see in here, the b becomes 4 and then it's being multiplied by 2. So when it's being multiplied by 2, it becomes 4 times 2. So therefore the answer for that is 8. So the product is 8. So this equation is really true, right equation for this one. And also with the division, it's the same approach for this one, and we're just gonna use this one division symbol, and then we're gonna replace that so that you could be able to understand it clearly. So we all know that the value of b is already 8, so we divide it by a. So let's see if what's the output for that. So as you can see in here, that the output is b, when b is over or equal to a, it is the same as an equation of the equation of b is equal to b over a, which is, it becomes b divided by a. So b divided by a, we all know that a is 2 and b is 4, so the quotient for that is, or the result for that is 4. So it becomes 4. So that's how the assignment operators work. So thank you for this tutorial that you have followed me along. I hope that you have learned a lot with these tutorials, and we're gonna see you to the next videos that I will gonna upload next day or next time. So thanks a lot for watching once again, and see you to the next tutorial, and goodbye.